Welcome to the TRAVELZON channel. Alaska. A land of towering mountains, glaciers that glisten under the midnight sun, and forests ancient and vast. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, where the raw power and beauty of the wild are on full display. Alaska's spirit is untamed, its landscapes breathtaking. From the rugged peaks of Denali to the icy waters of Prince William Sound, adventure awaits those who seek it. But amidst this tapestry of wilderness, there exists a world even more captivating: the remarkable wildlife that calls Alaska home. Alaska's coastline, stretching for thousands of miles, teems with life. Among its most magnificent inhabitants are the whales, these gentle giants of the deep. Humpback whales, known for their acrobatic displays and haunting songs, migrate to Alaskan waters each summer to feast on krill and small fish. Orcas, the apex predators of the ocean, patrol the waters in search of salmon and marine mammals. Whale watching in Alaska is an experience unlike any other. Imagine yourself aboard a boat, surrounded by the vast, untamed beauty of Alaska, the crisp Alaskan air filling your lungs, invigorating your senses, and making you feel truly alive. Suddenly, a plume of mist erupts from the water. A whale. The sight is both startling and mesmerizing. The anticipation builds as you wait for the giant to surface again, your heart pounding with excitement. Then a colossal form emerges from the depths, its immense size taking your breath away, leaving you in awe. The whale breaches, its massive body glistening in the sunlight, a spectacle of nature's grandeur, before crashing back into the water with a resounding splash, sending waves rippling outwards. The sound reverberates through the air, a primal echo of the wilderness, connecting you to the raw power of nature. It's a moment of pure awe, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Beyond the whales. Alaska's wildlife extravaganza. But Alaska's wildlife wonders extend far beyond its whales. This vast and untamed land is home to an incredible array of creatures, each more fascinating than the last. In Denali National Park, grizzly bears roam the tundra, their massive paws carrying them across the landscape. These majestic giants are a sight to behold, embodying the raw power and beauty of the Alaskan wilderness. Bald eagles soar overhead, their piercing gaze scanning the ground for prey. With wingspans that can reach up to 7 feet, these birds are the true rulers of the skies. In Katmai National Park, brown bears congregate at Brooks Falls, their enormous forms a blur of fur and claws as they compete for salmon. This annual spectacle draws visitors from around the world, eager to witness nature's drama unfold. And in the skies above, flocks of migratory birds fill the air, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the deep greens and blues of the Alaskan wilderness. These birds travel thousands of miles, making Alaska a crucial stop on their long journeys. A call to the wild. Answer Alaska's beckoning beauty. Alaska is a land of unparalleled beauty, a place where the wild still thrives in its most raw and untouched form. Here, nature reigns supreme, offering a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. It's a reminder that we are but one species among many, coexisting in a delicate balance, sharing this planet with creatures both grand and small, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. To experience Alaska's wildlife is to be humbled by the power of nature, to witness the raw beauty and strength of the natural world. It serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of conservation, urging us to protect these precious habitats, and to be inspired by the sheer diversity and wonder of the natural world, a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. So, answer the call of the wild. Embrace the adventure that awaits in this majestic land. Embark on an adventure that will stay with you long after you've left the last frontier, leaving an indelible mark on your soul.